Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x plus 1. So let the given polynomial, so let we assume something. Let p of x be equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Now 0 of divisor x plus 1 is equal to 0. To find the 0 of divisor, equate the divisor to 0. So you will get x is equal to minus 1. Now put this in the polynomial. Put x equal to minus 1 in p of x. Put x equal to minus 1 in p of x. You will get p of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 bracket cube plus 3 into minus 1 bracket square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. So this becomes minus 1 is multiplied 3 times, you will get minus 1. This is plus 3 minus 1 square, you have to solve the index first. So minus 1 is multiplied 2 times, you will get plus 1. Plus 1 into 3 is 3. So plus 3. This is minus 1 into 3, this becomes minus 3 plus 1. 3 cancels with 3, 1 cancels with 1, we will get the answer 0. Minus 1 plus 1 0, 3 minus 3 0. So we have got the value of the polynomial at minus 1 is equal to 0. But according to remainder theorem, we know that remainder is equal to value of the polynomial at 0 of divisor there is equal to 0. Therefore remainder is equal to 0. Question was asked, find the remainder. We have found the remainder is equal to 0. Second question is, find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x minus half. X minus half is the divisor here. So 0 of divisor will be x minus half. Equate it to 0, you will get x is equal to half. Put x is equal to this positive half in p of x. So you will get half cube, half square plus 3 into half. So this becomes, we have to solve the index first. So this becomes 1 upon 8 plus 3 into 1 upon 4 plus 3 into 1 upon 2, that is 3 upon 2 plus 1. Please note, we cannot do the addition of this unless and until denominators are same. So to make the denominator same, please note these are all multiplier. 8 is this 2, 4, 8 are all in 2's table. So we can equate it. This becomes 1 upon 8 plus 3 to the 6 upon 8 plus 2 4s are 8. So we have to multiply 3 4s are 12 upon 8 plus 8 upon 8. Now all denominators are same. So this is equal to 1 plus 6 7. 7 plus 12 is 19. 19 plus 8. 19 plus 8 is 27. 27 upon 8. According to remainder theorem, we know that remainder is equal to value of the polynomial at 0 of the divisor. Therefore, remainder is 27 upon 8. Next question is, in that third subpart is, find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x. So let the given polynomial p of x is equal to this 0 of the divisor. Now please note, this is x plus 0 is equal to 0. So we have to put x is equal to 0. We'll get, if you put x is equal to 0 in p of x, you will get p of 0 is equal to 0 cube plus 3 into 0 square plus 3 into 0. You will get, these all terms will become 0. 0 cube, this all first 3 terms will become 0. You will get the remainder 1. Now according to remainder theorem, we know that remainder is equal to value of the polynomial at 0 of the divisor. Hence the remainder is 1. Next, fourth is x plus 5. Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x plus pi. So let the given polynomial be this. Zero of the divisor. Zero of divisor is, to find the zero of divisor, we equate the divisor to 0, so you'll get x is equal to pi. Now put x is equal to pi in p of x, so we'll get p of pi is equal to pi cube plus 3 into pi square plus 3 into pi plus 1. So this becomes pi cube plus 3 pi square plus 3 pi plus 1. Please note, indices are different, so these terms cannot be added. Hence, according to remainder theorem, we know that remainder is equal to value of the polynomial at 0 of the divisor. Hence, the remainder is pi cube plus 3 pi square plus 3 pi plus 1. X equal to pi, x plus pi equal to 0, so x equal to minus pi. Please note, I have made a mistake. I am correcting it. So you have to put p of minus pi. This becomes minus pi square, minus pi. Minus pi is multiplied 3 times, you will get minus pi cube. Here minus pi is multiplied 2 times, it will become positive. Minus pi is 1 time, so this becomes minus. It means the remainder is minus pi cube plus 3 pi square plus, instead of plus, it will be minus 3 pi plus 1. Next, fifth question is 5 plus 2x. So let the given polynomial be p of x, 0 of the divisor. To find the 0 of the divisor, equate the divisor to 0. So 5 plus 2x is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to minus 5. It means x is equal to minus 5 by 2. So we have to put x is equal to minus 5 upon 2. So this minus 5 upon 2 bracket cube minus 3 into minus 5 upon 2 bracket square minus 5 upon 2 into 3 plus 1. So this is equal to minus cube is minus, 5 cube is 125 upon 2 cube is 8. This is plus 3 into minus 5 square will become plus 3 I have kept as it is. So this will be 25 upon 4. This will be minus 15 upon 2 plus 1. Now see, the remainders are different. We cannot do the addition and subtraction unless and until we do the denominator same. So this is equal to minus 125 upon 8. This becomes 75 to the 50, 150 upon 8. This is 2. If you want 8, you will have to multiply this by 4. So minus 15 for the 60, minus 60 upon 8 plus 8 upon 8. Now all the denominators are same, so we can do the addition and subtraction of these numbers. So here you will get minus 125 plus 150 is 25. 25 minus 60. 25 minus 60 is 35. 35 plus 8 is 43. So this comes minus 27 upon it. You can understand this is plus 25 minus 35 plus 8 is minus 27 upon 8. So according to remainder theorem, we know that remainder is equal to value of the polynomial at 0 of the divisor. Hence the remainder is minus 27 upon 8. So this is minus 27 upon 8. Second question is, find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. So let the given polynomial be equal to, solution, let the given polynomial be equal to p of x. So let p of x be equal to x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a. Now here divisor is x minus a. So 0 of divisor x minus a equals to 0. To find 0 of the divisor, we equate it to the 0. So we will get x is equal to a. It means put x is equal to a in p of x. So we will get p of a. P of a is equal to a cube minus a into a square plus 6 into a minus a. So this becomes a cube minus a cube plus 6a minus a. So answer is a cube cancels with a cube, 6a minus a is 5a. Hence remainder, according to remainder theorem, we know that value of the polynomial is equal to value of polynomial value of polynomial at 0 of divisor is equal to remainder, therefore you can say that remainder is 5a, remainder is equal to 5a. Last question, check whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. So we know that if this number divides this number completely, then we can call this as a factor. So let us check whether this 7 plus 3x divides 3x cube plus 7x completely. It means if 3x cube plus 7x is divided by 7 plus 3x and the remainder is 0, then we can say that 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x. So let given polynomial, let p of x is equal to 3x cube plus 7x value and let this be divisor. So 0 of divisor. So 0 of divisor, 7 plus 3x, equating it to 0, will get 3x is equal to minus 7. It means x is equal to minus 7 upon 3. So put x is equal to minus 7 upon 3 in p of x. We will get p of minus 7 upon 3 is equal to 3 into minus 7 upon 3 bracket cube plus 7 into minus 7 upon 3. So this becomes 3 into 7 7 is 49. 49 sevens are 3 4 3. This will be minus upon 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 plus 7 sevens are 49. Please understand this will be minus 49 upon 3. Now this will be minus 3 4 3. 1 3 will cancel. You will get upon 9 minus 49 upon 3. Please understand the remainder is not 0. So you can solve this by multiplying this by 3. You will get minus 3 4 3 minus, if you multiply by 3 you will get 9 3s are 27, 2 carries, 3 4s are 12, 147 upon 9. So you can understand the remainder is not equal to 0, hence we can say that this is not a factor. We know that according to remainder theorem, value of the polynomial at 0 of the divisor is equal to remainder. Here remainder is not equal to 0. Remainder is not equal to 0, so we can say that 7 plus 3x is not a factor of, this is not a factor of 3x cube plus 7x.